Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational in purpose and use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. I think with that we move on to our live trades. Okay, the key data that is going to be out tonight at 2300 hours is CB Consumer Confidence and Richmond Index. So most likely we have another 1 hour more left before the data is out. So we have to trade cautiously until the data is out. Then of course once the data is out, then I think normal trading will start to presume. Okay, the thing before we go on to the trades, we look into gold. Gold and we are going to trade gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Okay, let's look into the gold. Okay, gold is still still within the range. I think just now it came off. Then we thought we wanted to go for a buy, but I think we didn't get the price again. So I think the market just started now, and we are seeing I think it's just about 1 hour left. Sorry, 1 hour, just new time bell started. So we have to see the price break 42. Okay, 42 and 53. Okay, these two levels, then only we can see the price moving higher. So as of now we are seeing the price moving higher. So what we can do is we can go for a I think most likely the low is seen here, so we can go for a buy somewhere near 37. Okay, let me check on the system also. Just give me a minute. Okay, let me load the system, so at least then we can get a clearer picture. So now, as of now, we can go for one buy at 37, and our stop has to be, okay, let me see. Okay, the system has booted. Okay, yeah, so I think we look to buy at 37, and stop has to be about 32. Okay, 31 half or 31. Then the TP, we have to see whether the price breaks 41, and if it breaks, then we can see the price heading towards 40 45 half, 46. So what we will do is we'll try to go for one buy at 36 half, and another one at 33. Okay, 33 or 33. Yeah, so the 36 half, 37, we should put a stop at 31 half, and 33 we put a stop at 28 half. Okay, we'll go for two trades. and of course we have to see whether the 41 42 breaks. If it breaks, then we can see the price moving higher. Okay, so let's start this trade. Gold, we are trying to buy one at 29336 half. I will put it as 36 half and 31 and 29455, but actually we have to make sure that the 41 half breaks. Okay, so this one we'll put it as 2300 hours. Okay, then the market is already starting to move up. Okay, just give me a minute. The market is already starting to move up. So so for those of you who feel you want to trade this market, you may try to buy slightly higher as well, so because this both conditions are doing good. That means the trigger line and the signal line both are pointing up. The only thing is we have to see the price breaks the high. So let's see. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Okay, so we are trying to buy one at 30. 36 half. Sorry, I have not changed the screen. Yeah, 36 half, stop at 31 and TP at 45 half, and we must make sure that the 41 42 breaks. Okay, if it breaks, then we can see even higher. Okay, but I think we will go for a conservative trade. Then we can go for another trade. Okay, just in case this gets stopped out. Okay, we can go for another trade, buying at 29 2939, sorry, 2929 2955 half, and this one the TP we can exit before 36 half. Okay, so this one we will give another 1.5 hours, but I think later if we need to change, we will change it. Okay, we'll change this. Okay, you're not able to hear me, is that? Are you able to hear me? Hello? Can you hear me or you cannot hear me? Hello? Can. Okay, thank you. Okay, now the next okay, the next trade. Okay, we have given this gold. We'll try to go for the gold. We wanted to buy, but I think the market has already started moving before we entered. So we'll just try to see whether the order is get filled. Okay, at 36 half. Then the next one, let's see, we can see any currencies before we go into Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Okay, here Okay, we are seeing the euro is already moving higher than the pound, also moving higher, dollar yen moving up. So means basically we are seeing the dollar weakness happening. Okay, volume is not clear, right? Okay, hold on, because I'm trying to have this new mic. Okay, can you? Is it better now? Because I've changed the set, so I'm just trying to. Can you hear me now? Better. Hello? Can you hear me? Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, now we have seen the pound also moving higher. Okay, pound is also moving higher. So basically, we are seeing the dollar weakness against the euro, pound, dollar, yen, and so on and so forth. So now what we are going to do is we are trying to go for another trade. Okay, we'll try to go for another trade on the buying of this pound. Okay, we'll try to buy at 126 12645. Okay, we'll look into this. Okay, we'll try to buy pound at 12645. Stop at 1010 because the 15 is your current 360 low. Okay, then we'll try to exit at 12680 or 12690. Okay, so this would be another call. This is not I wouldn't call this a live call, live trades, but we just put in the order because since we don't have we are waiting for the data to come in, and we just started the session. Okay, so this one I think we can give until 11:30. Okay, so this would be another trade, and one more is we'll just go for euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar similar, we'll try to buy at 10480. Okay, 80, stop at 55. I think 65 is your current 360 low, so probably we can put at 60. Okay, 60. Then TP, I think we have to exit either at 510 or 520. Okay, 510 or 520, and this is only about 30 pips move we are looking for. Okay, so this is not much movement, but I think still this is worth just going for the trade, since you know, if we are doing other things, so at least we can just see whether we can get into the trade. Okay, I told you 80, 60, yeah, 60 and 520. Okay, and this is also will give until another 1.5 hours. Okay, I think from there I think it's good enough. Now let's move on to our Dow Jones, S&P and Nasdaq trades. Okay, in the meantime, if the gold order is filled, you just let me know, then we will also see how we can manage it. Okay, so let's move on to the live trades. Okay, let's look into okay, so now we are looking into Nasdaq. Okay, what is happening is, okay, if you look into the trend, looks like we may have seen a temporary base at 21286. Okay, the low. Okay, looks like we may have seen the low. Okay, now the market is due for some pullback, and I think it's best we take this as a low. Okay, so now what we will do is, okay, there is a data that is going to be out. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how we are going to trade this. Okay, we would be most likely we would be trading in we will be using 2 or 3 types of trading method. Okay, this when I say method, okay, we will see, like for instance, we will say, like we'll call it a scaling in, accumulation, and there's one more called averaging. Okay, we can use either one of these 3 method. Okay, when I say average, means like what we'll do is we'll try to go in first trade, then we'll try to go another trade, then we'll try to average out and exit with the profit. Okay, this is one method. Another method is, we call it a scaling in, scaling in, scaling out, meaning, okay, we'll try to go one trade, we'll take another trade. So when we enter the another trade, when the first trade comes into a profit, we will try to exit with the first one profit, and the second one we will hold it at a better level. Okay, so this is called a scaling in out, or scaling out. Then this one is, we call it accumulation. Okay, accumulation meaning we will try to go with a one final stop, then we will try to enter 1, 2, 3, the most 3 entry, then we will try to accumulate, then finally, when the market starts to turn, then we will try to exit one by one. Okay, so these are the 3 method of managing money management, to do trades. So like when we do here, like for instance, okay, now this is the trade Nasdaq we are looking at. Okay, since we have taken, like, this is the low. Okay, let's assume that this is the low which we have already confirmed, and this is going to be the low. If this is the low confirmed, then this high has to go. Okay, this high has to go, and this price has to break this high. So now we are going to put a stop, because our risk has to be in proper, risk reward has to be in proper. So at least, when we take the trade, okay, we don't lose more than what we don't lose more than what we make. Okay, so now when we look into this Nasdaq, okay, looks like we have seen the base is confirmed at this level, and we should not see the price going beyond 2130. Okay, 2130 should be the level where we need to be looking to go for a buy and hold. Okay, so what we are going to do is, we are going to put one order at 2130, stop below this price, which is 2128. Then our TP should be above this level. Okay, above this level, and that level we can take it as 465 or higher. Okay, 465 or even higher. Okay, higher means, okay, once this 450 breaks, we should see at least 495 or 21515. Okay, 21515. Okay, let me double confirm that with the system. Yeah, I think we can say 21510. Okay. so so how we are going to trade now? We'll try to go for one buy. Okay, then this is going to be our comfortable buy. But in the meantime, if we see the market turning anywhere before that, then we may want to go for another trade. So for that, the first one is a straightforward. We will go for a buy here, put a stop below here, and wait for this high to break. If it breaks, then we'll try to exit at 21495 or 215510. Okay, then the market or entry, we will try to enter at market. Okay, that is after the 10:30 the market opens, because we also have a data at 11, so probably the market may become a bit quiet. 2128 2128 2128 2128. Okay, 285. Okay, put it as 280. So that means 2280 330 is about 50 pips risk, and reward we are looking at is 495. 495. That means about 160 pips. Okay, so this is for the Dow Jones. So Nasdaq. So that means we are trying to buy this market, but of course after the main session opens, we may hit the market. Okay, that is for another trade. Then the next trade we want to do is Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones is also a similar picture. Okay, meaning the market may have bottomed somewhere near 480. Okay, 480, that is where the market says that the market is already seen the low. So what we will try to do is we will try to buy at 520. Okay, 520 with a tight stop. We'll put it as 420. Okay, 420 or 440. I think we'll put it as 420. Okay, then the TP should be break this high. We should see at least the chart says 720 770. Okay, let me look into the system. Yeah, I think 720 should be a good target. 720 725. Okay, so 520 buy, 430 stop, 720 TP. Okay, this is for Dow Jones. Four three five two zero 430 43720. That means about 90 pips stop loss and about 200 the risk reward. Okay, and this one we will give about 1 hour. Okay, I think the earlier one we put it as 23. I think the one also, I think we'll put it as 23:30. Okay, so we're trying to buy euro, we're trying to buy pound, trying to buy gold, and we're trying to buy Dow Jones, and we're trying to buy Nasdaq. Okay, so once the market opens, okay, we have 5 more minutes for the main market to come into play. Okay, then we will try to hit the market, uh, either Nasdaq or Dow Jones. Then we will see, we'll go for the trade, then we'll wait for the news, then after the data announcement, then I think we should be able to move in the right direction. So overall, market looks, okay, market looks like it may have bottomed, okay, it may have bottomed, but still this is in a huge consolidation phase which we are looking at. We are not looking for a very big move up until it moves out of the range. So if it moves out of the range, then we may see the price uh, uh, in our direction. Okay, so we still have 4 more minutes. Okay, let's see the S&P. I think we don't want to stick our hands with too many things. Okay, we will just go with Nasdaq and Dow Jones and gold. This three is, I think, is good enough to give us heart attack, to see the move happening. So I think we don't want to get ourselves caught with too many things. So just wait for 4 more minutes. Then we would see how we want to trade this. As of now, Dow Jones is still having its pullback, so we are trying to buy at 530. 530, sorry, 520. Okay, let me key in the orders as well. Five 35. Okay, 2 more minutes. Okay, the Dow looks like market is already starting to turn, and the Nasdaq is also looking to turn up. So this is where we got to be a bit careful. Okay, 1 more minute. I think market looks already like reversed earlier than 520. We're trying to buy at 520, right? I mean, the low was only 560. Okay, so market just opened. Okay, Nasdaq is coming off a bit, and Dow, I think this already broke the high. I think this already hitting our target. Okay, Dow looks like we have already missed that Dow. Okay, if that's the case, then what we will do is we will try to buy Nasdaq. Okay, we'll try to buy Nasdaq at hold on now. Okay, let's wait for a while. Let's see whether this thing breaks. Okay, if this 60 breaks, I think we can see our price hitting. Okay, now we are seeing 55. Okay, can you try to buy one at market at 55? Okay, try to buy at market Nasdaq. Okay, I think our 30 should be get filled. Yeah, 30 is filled also. Okay, did anyone manage to buy at market? I think it's okay. If you just buy, it's okay, because this is still we can go for the trade. Okay, our 30 is filled. Okay, 30 is filled. Did anyone manage to buy earlier? You let me know. Okay, then as far as the Dow is concerned, I think we have missed it. Okay, we will wait for the next reversal. But the Nasdaq, I think the 30 is filled. If you have bought one more at market, I think we can still maintain. Okay, the one for that, I'll give you a stop separate. Okay, let's wait for this market to turn. So if you have bought another one at 50, okay, for that I suggest you put a stop at 310. Okay, so if you bought at 50, you put a stop at 310, and our 30 is filled, and we are good to go. Okay, let me okay, actually I'm holding two lots. One is at 50 and another one at 30. Okay, for the 30, the 50, I'm putting a stop at 10. 21310. Okay, so I have two trades on hand for the Nasdaq, and for the Dow we have already missed the entry. Okay, this is I think our TP has already seen, and we are seeing it. Okay, we can see the price pushing it higher. Okay, what we will do, we will try to go for another trade at 690. Okay, so buy at 690 and stop at 610 for the Dow. Okay, so this one we okay, this one is miss entry. Okay, this already got miss entry. Okay, now man, let's I tell you what, let's settle down with the Nasdaq first, then we'll get back to Dow again. Okay, so I think this one is already cancelled, huh? We need to see the break. Yeah, so now the Nasdaq is breaking higher as we expect, and we are seeing the price moving higher. Okay, we need to see the price clearing 412. Okay, 412, then we can be pretty sure that this is going to be in a uptrend. Okay, so let's just we'll give some more time, let it stabilize, and let's see whether we are seeing this price breaking. Then while we are waiting, okay, the gold I think is also moving higher. Okay, gold is also moving higher. I think it's already broke that resistance. Okay, so I think we have to wait for the Nasdaq to get its stability state. Until then, I think we can't do anything, and okay, Nasdaq is a bit weak compared to the Dow. We don't have to get worried as long as it doesn't go below 2530, and also we need to see that 21410 clearing. We need to see this clearing this price, then we can clearly say that okay, this has more or less has seen the base. Okay, let's see. Only the Nasdaq looks a bit weak compared to the S&P and the Dow. Still weak, huh? I'm not sure any news that is, the tech industry, might be a bit weak. By the way, if let's see. If you have extra, just now I told to buy at market that 50. If you have managed to buy, then I suggest you close that one, exit with the cost, so at least you just have one trade at risk, because I think don't need to take more risk, because the market looks a bit unsteady. Let's assume this is, I think we put a stop at 280, 21280. I think this is still quite far. See, sometimes this is what happens, sometimes when we are a bit unfortunate. See, the Dow is already like up about 200 points, and Nasdaq is down. So this is what happens sometimes. The trade, when we are taken, it's not moving in the right direction, and we get ourselves caught. Okay, looks like this is coming off a bit. Okay, we don't do any changes to the stop, and also to the trade. Let it get stabilized. If we get stopped out, and I think we just have to do a re-entry. Okay, Nasdaq is the only one looks weak. Actually, the price should not go below this level, if strength were to be seen. But looks like we are seeing weakness, which is not a good sign. Let's see whether this market is able to turn around. Okay, we'll try to go for a Dow Jones buy uh, at 630, yeah, and stop at below that low, which is 5. Uh, what is this level? It's 560, so 55. Okay, if we get it, we'll take. Otherwise, I think it's okay, no harm. We'll try to go for that trade as well. See this Nasdaq. If the market start to turn, we can go for a add-on trade. But still, still we have not seen the low yet. So we wait for this. Okay, now we'll see 630, 555, and the TP is above. Below the high, maybe about 750. Okay, so this one we'll put until 11:30 because I think there is a data out at 11. So maybe I think the Nasdaq may start to move after the data is out. Okay, we won't know. So that might be another reason, the market is pushing itself. Okay, I think more or less it's going to get stopped out. So let's see. Okay, I think our stop is still there. Still, I think we have not stopped out yet. Maybe lower the stop. I think we already got stopped out. Just give me a minute. Okay, let's wait for this stability and try to do a re-entry again. Okay, the re-entry we are looking at is 21230. Okay, if the market is going to go further down, let it go. 21225. Okay, 21225, that should be our next buying level. Okay, and also get yourself prepared, get yourself prepared mentally to hit the market. That means once if it breaks above that 21305, then we got to go for a re-entry again, because this would be a failure. Okay, go for a buy at 21225, 21225. And stop at 21180. Okay, so this one we will try to go for a buy re-entry. This is a re-entry. Two one two two five 21180, about 45 pips. And this one we will put it higher, because we haven't projected the price yet. Okay, I think looks like it's going to get filled. Okay, this order is filled, 21225. This order is filled, and looks like the gold is also filled. Let me see. Yeah, gold is also filled. The 36 half. Okay, that is also filled. Okay, now we are Nasdaq. We had a re-entry. We bought at 21225. Okay, we are seeing the price. Let's see whether it gets stability here. Okay, so this is the next attempt we are doing on the Nasdaq. If it really falls further, then I think it's going to be a bit bearish, and I think we should not be chasing this market again. Okay, so most likely we should see the market stabilizing if the market were to turn up somewhere here. So let's see whether this happens. Okay, looks like market is turning from here. Let's give some more time, then we can go for a add-on entry. Okay, we have 6 more minutes for the data to be out. Okay, let's see after the data, because this is where the next support is. So if we are right, of course the price should start to move up, which is showing some strength, but I think I don't want to chase this market. Okay, and I think the Dow is also is off. Okay, the Dow, I think the 630 is also filled. I think we can even get it cheaper now. Okay, so I think the Nasdaq, we managed to get at the right price, but still is moving. So the Dow is also filled. So we will try now to wait for the data, then uh, see whether we can see some more uptrend. Okay. Uh, so we are seeing the strength. I think we managed to get at the right level. So now we have to wait for some more stability, then we can go for add-on trade. Let's clear the data first. Okay, let's clear the data first, and okay. So Nasdaq, I think we are making money now. It's just that the Dow also is moving higher. So let's see. Let's see. Let's get the data first. Then we will tell you what to do. Okay, now the Nasdaq has to clear. Let me see. 330. Okay, 330, 345. Then only we can comfortably say that this market has turned. Okay, now what we are going to do, let's see, we have 2 more minutes for the data to be out. Okay, 1 more minute. So we are holding 3 trades as of now, I think. Gold, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones. But the Nasdaq, the system already revised the price to cost. The system already automatically raised the stop to cost. So we are only holding the Dow and gold at risk. Okay. Richmond Manufacturing Index came out to be better, and consumer confidence. came out to be bad. Okay, this data, one data came out to be good, another one came out to be bad. Okay, now let's see the Nasdaq. Okay, still has not bottomed yet. Okay, still have not bottomed yet, and the Dow also looks weaker. I think the Dow got stopped out again. Okay, I think the Nasdaq also got stopped out. Okay, I think today is also not a day. Okay, looks like it's all moving in the opposite direction. Just give me a minute. Okay, the data came out to be bad. I think that's pushing the stock indices lower. Okay, looks like I think we may see the price moving lower again. Okay, looks like today's is not a second day. I think it's not a day. Yesterday I think we managed to break even at cost. In fact, the first 2-3 days were doing good. Yesterday was break even. Today, I think today is the first day we are incurred a loss, and let's see how we can recoup this. Okay, let me see again. Okay, the gold try to close at 34. Okay, don't wait for this price to get stopped out. Okay, try to close at 34. Okay, try to revise it to 34 and close the thing. Then for this Nasdaq, we will try to do a re-entry again. Okay, we'll try to do a re-entry again. Try to close at 34 at the gold. Take a loss. Okay, let's get back to Nasdaq. Okay, looks like it's going to be bearish again. Okay, looks like it's going to be bearish again. Let me see. I think we have to wait for reassess for better entry level. Okay, hold on now. Let me look into the Dow as well. Okay, Dow was a failure. Just give me a minute. I need to place the order. Okay, so now what we will do, we will wait for this thing to stabilize. Okay, we have to see whether it's going to stabilize. If not, then we have to let go this trade, because what I feel this market should bottom soon, you know. So I think we can expect a big turn soon. Okay, because this pattern is a 3 drives to the low. Okay, let it go lower. Okay, let it go lower. Let's see where we can re-enter again to get back on track. Okay, now if we see here, the next support we can look for is somewhere the previous month RL1. Okay, so if we were to look here, the next 4-hour support is 21105, and if we look at the previous month, I think this is also about 21075 or 21050. Okay, so we have to see the market stabilizing before that level. Okay, so now if we look into the chart and we can expect a very big move from the low. We can expect a very big move from the low, because the market is going to see a major low. Okay, so here 21087. Okay, so that is where the chart is telling us, and it's deeply oversold. Okay, deeply oversold, and let's see whether we can project 2094. Yeah, 210. Just now the monthly was 21075, and our chart projection says somewhere 21085. Okay, we should see the price turning somewhere before that level. Okay, so what we will do is, okay, we will wait for this price to find its base. Okay, let it move lower, and we still have to get back this trade on track. So what we can do is, there's two ways which we can play. One is we sit in front of the screen, try to get the base, then after that we will go for a buy. Another way is we can put in the order at 210. Just now was 21. I'm getting the figure a bit mixed. 21075. 75, yeah, 21075 was the system. So somewhere, that means we are looking at another 100 points down. Okay, that means we are looking at another 100 points down. So if that level gets filled, we can try to TP at 21215. Okay, the figures are a bit mixed now. So what we can do to get back the loss, okay, we will put a trade. Doesn't matter, this one we don't have to monitor. We'll just put it as 21075. Sorry, 21075. Okay, then we'll put a stop about 40 pips lower. Then this one is 21215. Sorry, 21215. sorry, 21215. Okay, so that's about 140 pips higher we are looking at. Okay, and this one we'll put the expiry for another 2 hours later. That means until 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock and tomorrow's date. Okay, so you key in this order and let it work. Okay, it's okay. I mean, we have nothing to lose since we already got stopped out. In fact, twice we got stopped out. Okay, I think we lost, how much we lost? We lost first 25 pips, and this one was break even. Yeah, this one was raised to cost, correct. So all in all, I think we lost about 62 plus 12.5, about 75 pips. Okay, these are the trades. Yeah, gold we closed at 34, and the Dow we lost about half of this, and the Nasdaq also we have lost. So we have to get back that loss. Okay, so we'll try to put it as let it work. Then as of now, okay, as of now we are not seeing any signs of bottoming yet. Okay, so this is the clue which we can tell you. Okay, so gold, I think lucky we managed to close. I don't know whether you all managed to close at 34. I think this is also tricked us, and this is also failed again. Okay, this is a failure again at the high, and this is coming off, you know. So this is also tricked us. Let me give you one more projection, because I want to take back this loss. Yeah, about 21050. Yeah, that should be the base. You know, most likely that should be the base, and we shouldn't be because this round, I mean, at this level, it's quite dangerous to go for a sell, because we are already seeing the price moving lower. So we would best for us to stick to one direction, you know, look for a buy, and once the market turns, then we can go for a add-on entry. Okay, so we have still yet to see the low. Okay, we have yet to see the low, and we don't have to be in a hurry to go again for a buy. Okay, let's wait, because in fact I think this entry was a good entry, you know, but it was too fast. You know, it was just like 55 pips straight away, but I thought we were expecting a base to be seen here, but unfortunately we didn't see that happening. So let's wait. I think we still have another 70-75 pips more. Okay, let's see. Okay, and this one, hold on. I think I had a. Give me a minute. I've given a gold order to buy at 29. Okay, I forgot to cancel that. Okay, this one, can you also close it at 29? Okay, this is a problem sometimes when we give too many orders, you know, we will try to close it. So this one also you try to close at cost and get out of this. So now we only concentrate on the Nasdaq. Dow, I think I don't want to give too many if we are not paying attention. Okay, Dow, if you want, I can give you a projection. Okay, 43230. Okay, let me see. Okay, looks like Dow is still is going to weak some more. Okay, if it breaks the low, we can see even lower, but the only thing is, yeah, we can see a target of 43050, but the thing is we got to see whether this low breaks. If it breaks, then we can see a final target of 43,000. Okay, try to close that gold, try to close that gold to close that cost. Then Nasdaq, we will still wait. Okay, still is going lower because I don't want to go for a buy. Maybe we'll wait for another 10-15 minutes and see. Okay, looks like we may see the price hitting soon. Okay, what we will do, we'll try to lower the thing to 50. Yeah. Okay, lower this thing to, instead of 75, lower it to 50. And the stop, we'll try to bring it to 20995. That means about 45 pips, and the TP is still the same, 21215. Okay, so we will try to stick to this trade, and let's see, we'll spend some time, let's see, because let it go down, let it go down. Okay, this is still because we felt that, I mean, more or less it should see the bottom soon, but looks like it is going off some more. So let it come off, yeah. Okay, this one we will see. This is 2 hours. See, the problem is this weakness can last for another 1 more hour, if but let's see the 60-minute. If the 60 minutes were to hold, should hold at another 10-11 minutes. Nasdaq is really too strong, huh? Okay, now it's already going lower. Okay, can we lower it to 35 or 30? Because since it's coming off so fast, okay, we'll try to bring it down to another 30. We'll try to get this trade, and stop, we'll still maintain it, and TP is still maintained. because it should close near the low. Okay, the weakness is still there. We have 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes. Hold on. Looks like he's still weaker. Okay, I think our order got filled. Actually, we can try at 2100, but it's okay. I think the order got filled. Order got filled. Okay, 2130. Okay, so we have just got filled. Okay, now it's moving higher. Okay, we'll try to take this profit. Okay, we'll wait for a while. Okay, try to close it at 80. Okay, take a 50 pips profit. Then we'll try to do a re-entry again. Okay, so what I want you to do, try to exit at 80. Then revise the entry, the stop, raise it to 21020, and we try to close at we'll try to make this 50 pips first, because since we already losing money, so we'll try to get back this trade. So now it's 75, 76, okay, 76, 80. Okay, I think profit is taken. Okay, okay, we have taken this profit. Okay, so at least we know, okay, we have done something for today. Okay, now what we will do, we will try to go for the trade, because we still have another 7 more minutes on the weakness. Okay, so I think it's even going stronger. I think we should have made another 20 more pips. Okay, let's see, never mind. So can we go for another buy? Okay, another buy, because I'm not sure whether that 21030 is the low. Okay, because if that is the low, then we can see the price moving higher. So what we will do, we will try to go for a 2100, because because what I told you is, I'm not sure whether this weakness is going to last for another 7 minutes, or we are going to see the weakness for another 1 more hour. So if we are going to see 1 more hour, then we may see the price moving lower. Okay, as of now, we still maintain the stop lower than the TP. We still maintain that, and we'll try to go for 1 o'clock expiry. Okay, I hope you have taken the profit. If some of you, I think, might have got slightly higher, okay, I think it's okay. Gold dropped to 10 now. Really? Okay, I think gold, wow. Okay, gold, I think, is giving a big move. Okay, let's start to concentrate that as well. Okay, give me a minute. Oh, it's already 10. Okay. Okay, my side, the gold, I think, is not updating. It's just showing 2916, which is wrong. Okay, now only so if the gold drops, then looks like the correction has already started. Okay, so I think we should be looking for a sell and hold or cautious buy. Okay, cautious buy, we can look to buy somewhere near 2901, 01 or 03. Okay, the one let's do that work later. Okay, let's concentrate on this first. I think we have made that 50 pips. Let's see whether this is stabilizing. Okay, so we have yet to see the low. We have yet to see the low. The only thing bothering me is I don't know whether this weakness is 1 hour or this weakness is going to lead for 2 hours. If 2 hours, then we may get one more drop. If 1 hour, then this might be the base. Okay, never mind. So now let's see the gold. Okay, since the other one is moving, let's concentrate on that. Okay, let me reboot that my system. Okay, we have yet to see the low. We have yet to see the low. I think we managed to recoup some losses, but still not up to the mark. Okay, this I haven't seen the low, so we don't have to bother that because we are not into the trade yet. So now, since gold has broke the low, this weakness is expected to last for another 1.5 hours. Okay, so another 1.5 hours this weakness is expected to last. So what we can do, we look to sell. Okay, look to sell near 19. Okay, 18.5, 19, and this target should be, we are looking at least 2903. Okay, 03. So there's two ways which we can play this game. One is, okay, we try to sell at 16. I mean, if we have known earlier this drop, we would have shorted early, you know. But since we are already trying to go and we don't want to chase the market, try to sell at 18.5. Okay, stop should be 24.5 and TP should be 2908 or 2905. Okay, so let's put this trade. I think this one, because sometimes when we concentrate on one trade, you know, we don't see the focus. Okay, see, my price is not updating. Yeah. Okay, this is not updating. Okay, try to sell at 18 half. Okay, try to sell at 18 half. I think my server is down. Okay, the server is down. Okay, let's see. I don't know whether I can reset the server. Okay, because it's already US timing. We'll see. Try to sell. Yeah, sell gold at 18 half. Stop at 24 half, and TP at 2905. Okay, that order you can go for the trade. Okay, then as far as this Nasdaq is concerned, I think we have yet to see the low yet. Okay, we have yet to see the low. Okay, now I told you the new time belt has just started. So if this low breaks, then we should see the price moving lower. If it doesn't, then probably we might get some stability here. Okay, so okay, I'm not able to do anything now because the server is down, and okay, when the dollar yen has started breaking the low, that means you see that the thing that is happening now is see, the stock market is getting weaker, dollar weakness is happening, and gold is also coming off. So we are getting all mixed signals all around, all over. Okay, so okay, dollar yen looking at target at 4830 and 474800. Okay, I think we have missed literally all the okay, so what we will do, I think the Dow Jones, this is trying to break this out, but sometimes it will be a very bit risky, have to wait for some more time to see whether this is a genuine break. Otherwise, okay, what we can do, okay, Nasdaq, okay, because I'm a bit reluctant, because looks like this might be the low, but I'm hesitant to go for a buy. Okay, let's try one last time. Okay, try to buy Nasdaq. Try to buy at 60. Okay, put a stop at 20. Okay, buy at 60, stop at 20. Okay, TP, we can put it as 2170. Okay, we'll just try one last time before we knock off. The other trade, let it be as it is. See, my server is down, so the price is not updating. Okay, try to buy at Nasdaq at 60. Yeah. Okay, if you want okay, looks like this. I said I think our entry was perfect. The 21030. Okay, this what we feel here is there's a 50-50 chance, but this might be the low. Okay, if this is the low, then we should see the price breaking 21166. If this is not the low, then this would be in a range, then we should see the price moving lower again. Okay, I'm so sorry. The my server is down. I'm not able to give you the thing. So okay. Okay, the market looks good, but I'm not sure how to give the signals. Okay, never mind. If you want, you can. For those of you who want to trade, I suggest you try, because this looks like as I told you, this just now I told you, either the market may bottom here or it may take another one more hour before it bottoms. So if this market is able to break this high, which is 21166, then most likely this would be the low. But if this level holds, then chances are it may come back into a range again. Okay, so I think we have one more order to buy at 2100. Let it work. Then what I will suggest to you is I will see you again tomorrow, then we will see how we can arrest this problem and how we can go about. Okay, then as far as this gold is concerned, okay, like as I told you, the correction looks like it has already started. Okay, so we are seeing the price, we are expecting the price to go lower, uh, and we have to see the closing of tonight, but most likely I think we can see the price, in fact, is already started falling. Early on I told you to go for a sell. I think this also we missed it, so we are expecting the price to go lower, and don't go for a buy for this uh, cross, because the correction looks like it's already started. Okay, okay, thank you very much. Okay, looking forward to see you again tomorrow, and I hope tomorrow I don't get these issues. If not, then I can resolve it and we can go. So I hope you had a good experience today, but I think all the three markets, I think, were moving in all different directions, so I think we didn't really get the good move for today. Hopefully, some of these days we will try to get a good move and we'll try to capitalize on the move. Okay, thank you, good night, I'll see you again. Thank you, bye.